Hi, my name is Matthew Oden, and I am part of Team Gym with Amy Eloriaga and Victor Silva. And this is our proposal. American Top Team. Currently, they use archaic methods to track client data. Basically, there's a lot of paper-based tracking and just simple spreadsheets. This can cause a lot of issues. It's way too easy to just lose sheets of paper. Basic spreadsheets can be overwritten. You could have multiple users just overwrite the data. And sometimes you could just have multiple spreadsheets that are just duplicating the data. And there's just an abundance of it. There's too many errors that can happen with this type of system. Right now, there's no centralized management system. Basically, every aspect of the client, all the personal information that you would need, it's all isolated. There's no connection. There's nothing linking to it. There's no primary keys. There's no foreign keys. There's none of that. So what we're looking to do is we're looking to implement a computer-based information system, the gym management system, the GMS. That's how we'll refer it going on in this presentation. What we hope to do is organize, centralize, and automate customer management tasks and metrics. This system will be online through the web. People can access it through, computers, phones, tablets, any type of, system that can connect to the internet. Alright, moving on. Basically, what we're hoping to do is, with the scope and uniqueness of the identified needs, we can develop this GMS to give the best return on investment for American Top Team. Alright, let's move on to the next slide. Alright. Basically, it's going to be based off computers. We're going to use a nice interface. It will be responsive and built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's going to have a platform stack with a web server and a database server. The web server will run Apache and have modules for PHP. The database server will run on MySQL. Right now, we don't have any reports or dashboards to show. We will have those in the later release, but currently in this sprint, we don't have that available. Alright. Our system objectives, we definitely want to centralized logging. We definitely want every time that the trainer is with the client that they can just log every interaction that they have. That way all the stats, everything is current, it's up to date. The client has all the access to the information. It is readily available. There's no waiting, there's no lag. Because right now, like we were saying, how it's archaic and paper-based and it all depends on human initiation to start it. That could mean if the trainer with the client isn't there right now or goes away, it might take days for it to be updated. And I'm sorry, personally, when I work with my trainer, I would like to have my stats and everything updated as quickly as possible, so that way I can be trending my improvement, my progress, my results. So this is definitely something that we think is important with this new system, this GMS. Next thing is this centralized communication tool. We definitely want it to be easier for the client to have access to what the trainer is handing out. So there will be email links. It will be easier to keep track of communications between the client and the trainer. There will be a centralized client tracker. Because right now there are certain instances of stats based on the trainer that are specific to that trainer and that client. We need to kind of get rid of that. We need to make it more, centralized, more standardized, so that way anyone coming into this new system can understand the stats and the values that are presented to them. Another thing is we want 24/7 availability. We need to be able to just access this information at any time. I need to be able to just get on my phone at midnight and just know that I can look at all my stats, all my schedules for training, just hours of operation. Maybe there's even a help desk. I want to be able to access anytime. We're growing up in this stage where everything is on our phone, and definitely American Top Team needs this. Like we were saying, mobile. We need this to just be accessible. I'm not saying it has to be a mobile app, but there needs to be a mobile website for all the different form factors, all the different tablets out there, all the different handheld devices, and just all the different monitors. So we need the system to just work with all the form factors. Next thing is universal processes and procedures. Basically, we're looking to achieve consistent results while simplifying and reducing time. Expandability. By using reusable components and modules, we can definitely have this system just continue to work for us and improve on it. We're looking at product flexibility and future development of features and tools for the system, so that as American Top Team expands, they can add more to the system and only improve and get better. So let's take a look at some of these costs for these improvements. Right now, as you can notice, the costs are really not that much in the end. We're looking at around $3,000, but based on the savings that you're going to get, you're going to see a huge return on investment. The money saved will easily come back, and American Top Team will just see increased revenue due to greatly reduced costs. The amount of human involvement needed to keep this system running, very, very small. I mean, once everything's set up, you're looking at an annual cost of $240 going forward. American Top Team will definitely see the benefit from this. In the end, American Top Team, due to the nature of the streamlining and centralizing processes and procedures, the management will reduce the amount of time that'll have to do with all these tasks, writing down all these notes on paper or going later to enter all this information into spreadsheets. They can just use this system, input the data, have these reports, have these dashboards, be able to see everything in front of them, so clear, so easy, and so can the clients. This will definitely lead to a huge improvement to American Top Team and lead to great expansion. Basically, by just reducing the human dependency and just reducing the amount of manpower necessary, having to deal with all this tech type issues, American Top Team will see huge reduction in costs, and they can just focus on what's most important, helping their clients achieve their fitness goals. In the end, I can only see American Top Team just benefiting greatly from this resource, and I hope they accept our proposal. Thank you so much.